What's good, family? Welcome back for another episode of the Mobile Home Elite Investors Podcast. You know what? It's a show. All right, it's a show. But listen, I'm your host, the charming mobile home mogul. You already know, Byron Sellers. And listen, y'all, today I want to talk about how to market your business on Facebook. All right, we're going to kind of do a series. We're going to talk about the other platforms, but today we're going to concentrate just on Facebook. But do me a favor, if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to the podcast on your favorite podcast platform. All right, and make sure you go ahead and share this with somebody. All right, now, so you tuned in how to market your business on social media. Now, today we're talking about Facebook. All right, Facebook in general. Now, what I love about Facebook, you can it's pretty much like a website. You can make a business page on Facebook. Okay. On that business page, you can make Facebook groups. It's just so many tools that you can leverage on Facebook. And so with that being said, right, how to really market your business on Facebook. Think about it. We normally built most of our Facebook friend lists and things as people we knew, right? People we know, people we went to college, high school with, family, friends. Like that's how our normal Facebook community is, right? And sometimes, we don't want people in our business. I don't want this person. And we follow, however. But now leveraging for your business, it's a whole different marketplace, right? What you're talking about, over 1 billion people on Facebook, especially in the US, and depending on where you're doing mobile home investing at, this is the leverage that you want, right? This is something that Facebook can help your business look professional. And so one of the key things is leveraging the Facebook business page, right? This is pretty much a free website that Facebook, gives you. And a lot of times we may overlook it, but there are a lot of people who have very successful Facebook pages. Okay. And the reason why, to me, Facebook is one of the most important when it comes to marketing a business on anything is because here's where I would say at least over 75% of your business could potentially come from if you utilize the tool of Facebook the right way. Okay. I'm gonna say it again. I know you can get over at least 75% of your business and get people to what you're doing. So for one, whatever your strategy is, right, you want to kind of base your business around that. So if you're a wholesaler, right, you want to create your business, right, your Facebook page. So going on your Facebook page. Now, it can be if you're not tech savvy, it can be very frustrating. It can be like, okay, it seems like a lot. But the general thing with Facebook, what I love about it, think about it, cover photo, a description of what you do, right, getting detailed on what you do in your description, your location, your time, like these just key things, right? And you don't have to necessarily do this, and you can have this as a project, right? 2 weeks, a week, whatever that looks like to create your page. And it does not have to be perfect. You can always go back and change something. But the key thing is what you want to do is on your page, you want the content that you post to tell not only your story, but tell the story and the value that you provide. That's one of the key things, right? I can just post, hey, I wholesale mobile homes. Come shop with me. Why should they come shop with you, right? Be able to show your track record. Be able to show the people that you help. If you fixing and flipping, show your jobs, right? You want people to come on your page. And here's the thing. I want you to think of your favorite person that you love to shop with. Who do you love to shop with, right? Who do you go to, your go-to place when you know that you want to buy an item, right? Whether it's Amazon or whatever that is, right? What experience does Amazon provide for you, right? And you may think like, wow, well, Amazon, I may be buying some toilet paper tissue. I'm buying some toothbrushes or something, right? But for someone who is someone who is buying a home, I want you to think about when you bought your home. How did you hear about them? Was it a referral? Did you go out and source them, right? When you're looking for apartments, same thing. Like think about the experience that you were provided, and now how can you leverage that content for your Facebook page? So that's the thing, right? It's no one size fits all. Like I can't necessarily say, well, you should do it like this, because if 100 people, you watch this and all your page is going to look the same, but no, what unique proposition can you put on your Facebook page, or what journey do you want people to see when they're on your Facebook page to go along with your brand, right? Because here's the thing. Yes, you're a wholesaler. Yes, you have this business, but it's still a brand. You want people to think about the brand? What does your brand represent? So we talk about how to market on Facebook. The key thing is be open. Sometimes we may not like to be on camera. That's okay, right? But if that's the case, do you write different things? Whether you're going to be giving positivity, what do you want your potential buyers to feel like? That's the type of things. And if you're busy on that, you want to be able to, for one, once you complete that Facebook page, we talk about marketing, you want to drive traffic there. Hey, make sure you have all your friends and family follow this page, right? Make sure if you have any suggestions, go engage in other Facebook communities, right? Go in different groups. Hey, I have a Facebook page. I'd love for you to go on my page, write a review or write something. Like, this is the thing, you can get very creative, because the more people you allow to know about this page, right? Or you want to make sure you make your page very searchable, right? Making sure that if somebody searches, everything goes in line with your page. When we talk about how to market, it's all about engaging with other people. So when somebody says, oh, you know what, I need a mobile home, like, oh, you know what, Byron does mobile homes, right? I know. Matter of fact, he has a page on Facebook I follow. Let me send that to you, right? That's what you want, right? You want to be able to post content, mobile home facts, mobile home history. If it's not even mobile home history, talk about the benefits of living in a mobile home, right? Because some people, you may be able to, not to say convince, but you may be able to sway somebody who never even thought about living in a manufactured home to say, you know what, this is cost efficient. I think I may go ahead and try this. I mean, hey, and they may actually fall in love with it. So we talk about marketing on Facebook. For one, you want to leverage a Facebook business page. All right. The content, you want to engage in different groups. You want to make sure you posting, telling people that, hey, this is what I'm doing. Believe in your business, right? Every day, believe in your business, and know, here's the biggest thing. It doesn't happen overnight. Over time, as you grow and you continue to let people know what you're doing, and you know what you're up to, and you're showing your results, you're showing people whenever you have a house and you're able to show people, hey, come to my Facebook page. I have the house on there, whether it's videos, right? You're able to have that capability. Now, what you're doing is making yourself more credible, right? More credible. And that's how you grow your business and brand on Facebook. Listen, I hope this was very valuable for you. I appreciate you definitely tapping in with me. Do me a favor. Make sure you share this podcast, and make sure you write a review as well. All right. And let me know what y'all want to learn. I'll be giving you new content every week. I truly appreciate y'all. Y'all already know, man. Let's get it.